Hey guys, Oppo launched Oppo Find N3 and it makes some headline. Yeah, we got some hand-on battery test video and it look like a battery jam. One of the biggest difference between Oppo Find N3 and its competitor is battery life and charging speed, and the phone battery capacity is 4805 mAh battery and it supports 67 watt fast charging. By the way, Oppo Find N3 and OnePlus Open are the same device, just different branding. Oppo Find N3 global variant is the OnePlus Open. As I mentioned, the battery capacity 4805 mAh, which is lower than the typical smartphone 5000 mAh battery. On the other hand, the Google Pixel Fold have the big battery 4821 mAh and the Galaxy Z Fold 5 have a 4400 mAh battery. So in the real life battery test, Oppo Find N3 perform very well. So as you can see that OnePlus Open performs similarly to the Pixel Fold, and overall you can get 10-hour plus screen on time. In the charging test, Oppo Find N3 fully charged from 0 to 100% in 43 minutes. So overall the Oppo Find N3 is the best budget friendly foldable smartphone. So that what do you think about the OnePlus Open? Let me know in the comment section below, and thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.